Getting ready for Easter but feel like your table looks plain? Wondering how to make your Easter table feel festive, elegant and warm without overdoing it? Confused between pastel themes, rustic styles or modern Easter decor? Looking for family-friendly, budget-conscious table decor ideas that still look Pinterest-worthy? Want a table setting that guests remember long after Easter brunch is over? Then stay with us, because today we're breaking down Easter table decor ideas that will transform your table into a beautiful, joyful centerpiece of celebration. What defines a perfect Easter table decor setup? A perfect Easter table decor blends freshness, softness, and seasonal charm. Think pastel colors, natural textures, floral elements, and subtle Easter symbols like eggs or bunnies. The goal is to create a welcoming atmosphere that feels light, joyful, and spring-inspired without overwhelming the table. Which color palettes work best for Easter table decor? Pastels like blush pink, mint green, lavender, soft yellow, and baby blue are classic Easter choices. You can pair them with white, beige, or light wood tones to keep the look balanced. For a modern twist, mix muted pastels with gold or neutral accents for elegance. If these ideas are inspiring you, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone planning an Easter gathering. It really helps the channel grow and reach more decor lovers. How can I decorate an Easter table on a budget? Budget-friendly Easter decor starts with what you already have: neutral tablecloths, clear glass jars, or simple plates. Add DIY touches like painted eggs, handmade napkin rings, or fresh flowers from your garden. Small creative details often make a bigger impact than expensive decor pieces. What are easy centerpiece ideas for an Easter table? Simple centerpieces work best. Think a bowl of decorative eggs, a floral arrangement in a vase, or a rustic tray with candles and greenery. Keep the centerpiece low so guests can comfortably see and talk to each other. Natural elements instantly bring a fresh spring vibe. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer floral centerpieces or minimalist Easter decor? We'd love to hear your style preferences. How can I use Easter eggs creatively in table decor? Easter eggs are incredibly versatile. You can paint them in pastel shades, add metallic accents, or personalize them with names for place settings. Display them in glass bowls, egg holders, or nests made of twine or straw for a charming seasonal look. What table linens elevate Easter decor the most? Lightweight table runners, linen napkins, and textured placemats instantly elevate your Easter table. Choose soft fabrics in neutral or pastel tones. Layering linens adds depth and makes even simple tableware look intentional and elegant. For more seasonal table decor inspiration, check out our full decor playlist linked in the description. It's filled with easy ideas you can recreate at home. How do I style place settings for Easter dinner or brunch? Start with clean plates, neatly folded napkins, and subtle accents like a small egg, flower sprig, or name tag. Personalized place settings make guests feel special and add a thoughtful touch to your table. Keep it simple but coordinated with your overall theme. How can I make an Easter table kid-friendly but stylish? Use playful elements like bunny napkin folds, pastel plates, or colourful eggs while keeping the base decor neutral. This balances fun and elegance. You can also give kids their own decorated eggs or small baskets to keep them engaged during the meal. If you love creative, family-friendly decor ideas like these, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming seasonal inspiration. What lighting works best for an Easter table setting? Soft, natural light is ideal for Easter daytime gatherings. For evening meals, add candles, fairy lights, or small lanterns to create warmth. Avoid harsh lighting. Gentle illumination enhances the cozy and celebratory mood. How can I mix rustic and modern Easter decor styles? Combine wooden elements, woven placemats, or ceramic pieces with sleek tableware and clean lines. Neutral colours help bridge rustic and modern styles beautifully. This mix creates a relaxed yet polished Easter table aesthetic. If you're enjoying this style, you'll find more similar decor videos linked in the description, perfect for every season and celebration. What floral choices suit Easter table decor best? Fresh spring flowers like tulips, daisies, lilies, or baby's breath are perfect for Easter. Keep arrangements loose and airy rather than stiff or overly formal. Even a few blooms in small vases can brighten the entire table. How do I decorate a small dining table for Easter? For small tables, less is more. Choose a slim runner, a compact centerpiece, and coordinated place settings. Avoid overcrowding. Negative space actually makes your decor look more refined and intentional. Love the decor pieces shown here? You can find similar products linked in the description to easily recreate this look at home. Can I decorate an Easter table outdoors? Absolutely. Outdoor Easter tables look beautiful with natural light, greenery, and simple linens. Secure lightweight decor items and use heavier centerpieces to prevent movement. Nature itself becomes part of your decor. How far in advance should I plan Easter table decor? Planning at least a week ahead allows you to gather supplies, test layouts, and avoid last-minute stress. Even simple planning ensures your table looks cohesive and thoughtfully designed on the big day. What final touches complete an Easter table decor look? Final touches like folded napkins, subtle scents, coordinated glassware, and clean table spacing bring everything together. Step back, adjust proportions, and remove anything that feels cluttered. Balance is key. Creating a beautiful Easter table isn't about perfection. It's about warmth, joy, and togetherness. With thoughtful colours, simple centerpieces, and personal touches, your table can become the heart of your Easter celebration. Whether you go elegant, playful, or minimalist, the right decor transforms moments into memories. Start small, stay creative, and let your Easter table tell a story of renewal and joy. If this video inspired you, please like and share it with friends and family who love decorating. It helps us grow and create more content for you. Comment below and tell us your favourite Easter table decor style. We read every single comment. Check the description for our complete decor playlist packed with seasonal styling ideas. Subscribe to the channel for weekly home decor, table styling, and festive inspiration. Find more videos like this linked in the description to keep your creativity flowing. All decor items featured are linked in the description so you can easily recreate this look.